Welcome back to another video, and in this video I have an unboxing from Nike. I just have two items here. These are a pair of my favorite sandals. They're called the Nike Icon Classic. I have them in a black pair and in a pink pair. So I noticed that they have a white pair. I also left a link below. I noticed they have them on Zappos cheaper than what I purchased them from Nike. But yeah, let's get into the box. And thank you guys for tuning in and subscribing. My shoe size is normally a 9.5, and my sneakers I get a 10, but in the Nike Icon, because these are sandals, they run a little big for me, so I got the 9. They don't come in half sizes, so choose carefully. I bought these cute lace socks from my beauty supply store to go with my new sandals. They're too cute. I don't know if it's a Wisconsin thing or what, but sometimes I like to wear socks with my sandals. It may be for the comfort or sometimes in between pedicures, but I feel like sometimes socks with sandals are pretty comfortable. And I think these look cute with my new sandals. So these fit pretty good. They're really comfortable, and I like the height that they add. So if you're looking for a reasonable price sandals, check these out. And here I have a lightweight satin jacket, and it has the Nike emblem all over it with the Air Nike swoosh. It's a lightweight jacket you can wear in the summertime, like for restaurants, over like a white sundress or white jeans or tank top or tube top. It's really cute, and the color is called Barely Grape. So thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in and subscribing. See you in the next one. Peace out.